Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udofia. If it's your first time here, and I'm a makeup artist and a lover of everything beauty based in Canada. If you haven't already, I would love for you to join my family, so please don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 4 tips on how to transform a daytime look to a nighttime look in 4 very simple steps. So if you would like to see how I went from this to this, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so the first tip is to change to a bold lip color, and in this video I'm using the Nubanbeauty liquid lipstick in Waffle. I absolutely love how this lipstick shade just flatters my model skin tone. It's a very rustic burnt orange shade, and it just made her go from like Mary to Natasha in like 2 seconds. And I decided to start with a bold lip color first because I wanted it to like set the tone to, you know, every other product that I end up, you know, adding or taking away from this look. And it was just the best move because just look at that. And if you're somebody who really doesn't have the time to do too much, perhaps you don't even have the time to do extra, changing your lip color to a bold lip color is just a major switch up, to be honest. And I know a lot of people are always scared to go bold. It's okay if you are the minimal, glossy, you know, neutral, subtle kind of girl. But if you are scared to go bold because you just feel like they will not fit you, that's a lie. There is a shade of red and a shade of pink and a shade of orange and a shade of purple for everybody. You just need to find that color that actually really flatters your undertone and flatters your skin shade, and you'll be going from 10 to 1000. So give a bold lip a try. Now to tip number 2, add some blush. Blushers have a way of just lifting the face. They have a way of just bringing back that color, that, you see my face? It has a way of just bringing, there's just something blushers do, to be honest. I used to be very scared of blushes, but now I'm like, pack it on. And I don't mean pack it on and you look scary, but I mean pack it on the right way. If you apply blushes the right way, if you apply the right, you know, shade, everything about makeup is actually getting the color that actually just really looks good on you. So applying the right color would flatter. It would just make you look like sweet. If it doesn't flatter your skin tone, if it doesn't just look good, just know that that is not your color. When you apply it, you will know. When it sits on your skin, you will know. Like, you see the way I'm turning, you know, to different angles, you can just know that, okay, she's wearing the right shade. It is, you know, it is flattering. So if it's not flattering, if it's not making you look good, it's making you look off, it's making you look great, making you look, then it's not the color for you. So don't say because of one bad blusher moment and then you now hate blushes. I used to be that girl that hates blushes. Now I'm like in love with it. So yes, you can be in love with blushes. And in this video, I'm using the Ladyvee 12-pan blush palette, and I'm going in with that orangey shade. There's something about orange blushes. Light skin or dark skin, it's just like pure bliss. So like it's just beautiful. I needed something to complement the lips. Like I said, the lips was just guiding me on, you know, the shades to use and everything. So yeah, the orange one just seemed like the perfect shade to go for, and that was why I used that. And don't be scared of actually trying blushes. Blushers just had something. They can give your face that look. Look at my face. They just bring together everything, like your highlight, your contour. They just marry them together, like a burst of color, and you're just looking like what should I call myself? Christine. You're just looking like a doll, you know. So yes, add some blush. Don't be scared of blushers. Alright, so tip number 3 is to brighten the under eye. There's something about a bright under eye that just makes you look awake. It makes you look glam. It makes you look like you can see into the future. Like people can see you from there to here. I don't know why I'm being too hyped today. And in this video, I'm using the Nubanbeauty powder in alabaster, setting powder in alabaster to do so. Now this the look we're trying to switch up now. I have a video for it and it's somewhere on my channel. I had used the powder that was close to a skin tone when I was trying to set it on the eye. But now that I want to brighten, I'm going for a more off-white shade, more like translucent. Now the thing about this powder that I actually like is every skin tone can use it, whether you're light or dark, and it would not give back like a flashback or come off gray. It just sits where you want it to sit, and it just gives that, it brightens and sets, and that's it. And yeah, because I wanted like a little lift, I decided to use alabaster. It's just a very beautiful powder, probably my favorite shade, because I know like it's a universal color, I can use it. So yeah, if you want to look more like you know, I don't have the word, it just I just want to look more like glam, you just want to look more like, you know, I don't have the word is coming, but it's just the expressions. Try brightening up your under eye. It definitely does something to your makeup. It just, don't overdo it, Sha. Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Just get a powder that is like a shade or 2 shades lighter. Something that will just like, just enhance it more. And you can use like a pressed powder or a loose powder. You can, with a loose powder, you can just apply that a little bit and just leave it there for like, try to bake for like maybe 5-10 seconds and then dust it off and make sure that you just blend that area well. Or even a pressed powder and just like press it in, properly. And you can go like 2, even 3 shades lighter. Just make sure that you do not overdo it. Please don't overdo it. If not, instead of it to like flatter and make you look like, you will not be looking like you don't want to overdo it. Let's not, you get what I mean. Just don't overdo it. Just bright, not. Let's get to the next point. Now, tip number 4 is to add a little shimmer and color to the eye. If you have the time, just grab something. For this look, I went in with my Yangabeauty Arielle palette and I just applied, is it bronzy now? Like a bronzy goldy shade just on the lid. Just something little. And you'll be shocked how a little, addition can actually just change the entire look. This was very basic. Just applied that on the lid and like went in and I just blended out, the entire, eye. So there's no like ash line or it's not just out of place. And very simple, but yet it just did something to the entire look. And I absolutely loved how it came out. Like I said, the right color, the right shade really can just, take any look from. You can be simple, but then if it flatters your skin, it looks like you did a lot. And that's it, pretty much it. A little color on the eyes. And if you don't maybe want eyeshadow, you can just take off your like little highlighter and just press it on. Just something, just something. Yeah, I'm just applying a liner to just tight line and clean up, the transition between the eyeshadow and the lashes. So like that particular line is just clean. And that's it. And if you are someone who really doesn't want to use eyeshadow, you can definitely just go in with like your highliner. Just give yourself that drama to your eyes. Just bring little attention to your eyes. Nothing too much. You can even smoke it out, or when I mean smoke, I mean smudge out the liner, or just do something little. Just a little here and there will just transform the entire look from, like I said, Mary to like Natasha in like seconds. And that's it, guys. In 4 very simple steps, we're able to transform this daytime look to this very glam date night look without doing too much. So if you're going to try any of these tips or any products that I use today, let me know in the comment section below. And all the products that I use in this video today are Nigerian brands. So if you're outside Nigeria and you're looking to purchase any of these products, you can definitely check out www.mynigeriapicks.com to shop. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. It will really mean a lot to me. Till I see you again in my next video, stay beautiful. Bye, guys.